Welcome to this lesson. Now let me design the canvases. So we have 9 canvases. As you can see here, there are 9 different canvases. On each of these you can draw, okay, like this. And each of these canvases are displayed as little square boxes of 100 cross 100 in dimension. But if you look at the live screen of whatever we've created till now, the canvases are not really seen. That's because they have no attributes as of now. They don't have a border or a background color, no features or attributes at all. So that's why they're not being displayed. Let's correct that with our CSS now. So let me first select the canvas element as usual. I'm not going to select each of these canvases with their IDs. If you can see here, each canvas have different IDs, but I'm not going to select each of these because all the canvases are going to have the same attributes. So I'm just going to select canvas. So all the 9 canvases are selected. So now I'm going to give it a border. So to create a border, you just have to give border here. So that's the property you should use. And then this is how it's syntaxed. So the syntax is, let's say, pixels, that's the first, type, and then color, and finally a semicolon. So, but the thing is, there are more than these 3 values for a border, but usually these 3 are the ones that are used most, okay? So type is the type of a border. For example, if it's a straight line border, it's called solid. And then there are dashed borders with dashed lines, and then there are double borders, and as the name indicates, it's a double border. And there are a couple of other borders other than these 3, but for this project I'm just going to use a solid border. So the type is going to be solid, and the pixels are going to be 1 pixels because I don't want a thick border. And then finally the color is going to be dodger blue. So that's a lightish color. And then I'm going to give a background color for the border, a background color that would complement with the background color of the page. So that can be something like light yellow. There you go. And then finally you can give a text align of center. This is actually not needed much because we are actually going to draw on the canvas. So we're going to specify the specific positions of where the images are going to be and everything. So you don't actually need to align to the center, but I'm just gonna do that for now. It's actually not needed. Okay, so there you go. We've finished the canvas for now. So let's look at the outputs to see what we've got so far. See, our canvases are finally visible now. That's because we've added a border and a background color, so they're more visible. But the alignment is still skewed. Everything is not where it's supposed to be like it is in the final output. But we'll take care of that as we move on. And so see you in the next lesson.